Welcome to Monson Made This. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm making Dan Noodles. I'll see you on the other side, and I hope you enjoy. I first had these noodles a couple of years ago with the opening of a new restaurant here in Las Vegas. Fell in love, ate them as much as I could, went to go eat them again one day, and the restaurant was closed. So since that time, I've been chasing around this recipe. Found a pretty good one online. It wasn't vegan. I veganized it, and this is what we have here. So I'll actually be posting the full recipe of what you saw down below if you do want to try to make this yourself. So I'm going to give this a taste. First thing you want to do is mix it all up. Get the sauce covering everything. And normally this is made with bok choy or some other green. I just decided to use broccoli because it's what I have on hand. So let me give this a taste. It's a very complex flavor. A really incredible dish. Hope you give this a try. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this style, make a comment below. Maybe we'll do a few more in this style. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next Monday for a brand new recipe.